Hi, this is Kel from Trade with the Boys. Now, the Dow Jones has swung 600 points from the bottom to swing up all the way to close at 260 points higher for last night Dow Jones, closing at 23,138, way above the 22,908 level that we mentioned. But the thing is this, what actually have happened? So let's see what happened. Now, there are some saying is because there is the follow-through buying from the previous day of a 1,000-point movement. There are people who are saying that this is short covering because many people shorted right over here, so they're short covering. There are people who are saying that basically itself, right, is due to the bonds that is expiring, and a lot of people are now exchanging for the equity market. Now, we cannot be sure on this level. We cannot be sure, but undeniable, the market is getting a little bit weary, tired, and skeptical because fundamentally nothing has actually changed. The only thing is that yes, probably the Treasury Secretary Mnuchin is having his job secure at least for now. Federal too, his position is considered safe from Donald Trump. But in terms of earnings wise, data wise, nothing have changed. Now, data move market, market move by data, back to data move the market again. So the thing is this, we are going to see some more data coming out in January. And if the January data doesn't come out as good as what the market expects, we could really see some selling in the coming weeks. Okay, this is something to be very, very careful. All right, Apple, United Tech are the only Dow stock that closed lower, which means that the Apple, no matter how, despite the strong recovery, is still closed pretty on the downside. So this is something very worried for some of the traders. Now look at S&P 500. We mentioned above that back then, 2352 is a very important technical level, and the market stayed there beautifully. And we also mentioned that there'll be a resistance at 24.99, which again happened today and yesterday. So I'm going to say this up front. If the market can call above 24.99 for the S&P, we could see much higher level. But if the market can't, we could see coming back down to 24.25 again. The Dow Jones will be a bit clearer. The Dow Jones we have mentioned before, the 21,560, 21,560 is a very important support level, which it happens, and we say that the next level will be 22,908, which also you can see it happening. Now, we did also mention the number of 22,234 yesterday, and the Dow Jones really came all the way here, missed it by about 20 points before doing a strong rally, as we just saw on the earlier part. So now the thing is this, I'm going to say up front here, if the Dow Jones maintain above the 22,908, we could see it testing back to 23,581 level, okay? But if the Dow Jones fail to stay above the 22,908 level, we could see it pulling back all the way to 22,234, okay? This is something that I can say up front right now, okay? So looking at the our PSV3 Dow Jones chart, will be easier to understand this. Now you can see that the Dow Jones this morning, okay, moving out with the boys coming in to buy, so it was follow-through effect, a bit different from yesterday, right? Then after that, in the midpoint, there was some selling coming in, and the boys have started coming to turning to sell side now. So now we have this particular level called the cage, whereby if the market now stays basically below 23,080 level, we could see some selling again towards the downside. The next target is at 23,027. If not, it can go down to 22,802, which is below the technical level of 22,908. So we aren't sure what's going to happen next, but traders wise, we need to be very careful because this is at a very important level. And I say yesterday, rally is a little bit not normal, and it's going to be very scary for the traders. Like look at the Hang Seng now. Hang Seng this is Hang Seng today. Basically pretty sideways throughout this afternoon session. Morning wise, there's some volatility, then it went sideways, and now it's hanging around here. So we can see that there's no follow-through effect from the Asian market side. So that means that a lot of things is all on eyes on the US stock market. Can the US stock market really give a Christmas cheer to go up to 23,500 series? Or if that the 2-day rally is just a push for a dump later? Well, it's everybody guess. Alright, this is Kel signing off.